Hi, my name is Peter Rogers, co-founder and senior advisor at FrontPoint Security. And today we're going to talk about how to replace door sensors on security systems. Door sensors are at the heart of every alarm system. The way they work is with a main component and a smaller magnet. When the two devices are separated, that's what sends an alarm to the home's control panel. From the control panel, the signal is sent to a monitoring center who verifies the alarm and, if necessary, dispatches the authorities. The way these devices mount is to put the larger component on the frame and the smaller magnet on the door. They're actually magnets, and when they're separated, that's what sends the alarm. Older alarm systems used hardwired sensors. You can see the wire here. Normally it would be run through the walls, which meant lots of drilling, tools, and the requirement for a professional installation. That's why most of the sensors being used today are wireless. The wireless sensor is easier to install, easier to troubleshoot, and it's also easier to move if you ever decide that you want to move the system. And you can add more devices as you need them. These are some of the reasons why wireless sensors are much more popular today than hardwired. You can even buy recessed sensors, and these components fit into holes that are drilled in the frame of the door and the door itself, usually for aesthetic reasons. Simply more options for the homeowner. If you have an older traditional hardwired system and you need to replace a sensor, chances are you're going to have to call your alarm company. In the first place, you don't want to void your agreement with them, and in the second place, your system may not work if it's done improperly. One more reason why wireless sensors are preferable, and in fact, wireless sensors have allowed a new trend in the alarm industry, systems that you can install yourself. And not only can you install them yourself, you can expand them and move them wherever you happen to live. One of the many reasons that DIY is a growing trend in the alarm industry. By the way, some of these systems are also very smart, meaning they can alert you by text or email anytime a door is opened. So that completes our discussion today of how to replace door sensors on security systems. Again, my name is Peter Rogers from FrontPoint Security. Thanks very much.